Hello and welcome to my channel. I'm Lisa, a colour pencil artist, a mum and a passionate wildlife art creator. If you're new here, I create realistic wildlife art using colour pencils, and I also share tutorials over on Patreon for anyone wanting to learn or just unwind with art. As a mum, I totally understand how important it is to find moments to de-stress. That's why I encourage people to slow down, appreciate the beauty of nature, and tap into the therapeutic value of art. Now as we head towards the end of the year, it's time for something I really love working on, my annual wildlife art calendar. The first step is going through my artwork and editing the photos to make sure the colours are right for the print. This part can take a while. I want each piece to look its absolute best. Once the images are ready, I use Vistaprint to design and put the calendar together. It's always a bit of a process arranging the artwork by month, adjusting layouts and making sure everything flows nicely. Then once it's sent away, it actually took me less than a week to get this back in the post. So I'm really happy with how the calendars turned out. They're a little bit different this year because usually I do sort of 2 A4 pages, and it flips down like that, but this time it's just one A4 size with all the pictures and all the dates and everything. All the public holidays are in there and everything. But yeah, it's a little bit smaller, a little bit more compact than the sort of bigger ones that I usually put out. I think I'll try and put it up with some cards and other things that I can give away with it as well. So when I send them out, you sort of get the calendar, but you also get a couple of other little things in there as well. So now I just need to take a whole heap of photos, do a couple of videos, and then do some posts, put it all on Etsy. But yeah, once I'm doing the editing process, triple check everything so much because I just don't want there to be any mistakes. So I'm really glad with how they turned out. And also wrapping them up and sending them off to people is just so therapeutic for me, and it's something I really enjoy doing. I really like that extra touch that you get being a small business, that you can send out little bits and pieces and sort of wrap it up and make it your own. I was just going to mention as well, for any artists out there, these bits of cardboard that you get with the calendars, like if you ever order any, these are great for putting in the back of your pieces to ensure they don't crease when you're sort of mailing things out. But they're great to sort of put in the plastic pocket. But yeah, they're already sort of cut to size. They're really thin, so they're really strong to keep the artwork safe, but also not really thick, like a real thick cardboard. So they're easy to post and they're very light. So I always keep these for sure. Want to do
yellow, red, green, orange, blue, black.
Good girl. Yeah, all colours.
All colors.
And which one do you want to do?
Cat.
Cat? So recently I've sold a couple of artworks and they've been framed, so I just need to post them off. I always add a declaration of authenticity and then I'll wrap it in some tissue paper and put a sticker on it with my logo. For anyone who buys original art, I also chuck in a couple of cards and some stickers and things like that. So when you're posting frames with glass, you just want to make sure that you have a lot of padding all around the piece, making sure that it's nice and snug and it's not going to be bouncing around too hard. But you also want to allow it to bounce around a tiny bit while it's in there, because that will help to keep it safe if it gets sort of knocked around while it's being transported. And finally, here's a little look at the sun conure that we're working on at the moment. And I really hope that you like this vlog. Remember to like and subscribe. In the description below will be a link to my Patreon, Etsy and website. Remember to let me know what you think of my calendars. I've worked really hard on them, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks guys.